I bought myself rear speakers for my Samsung soundbar. I bought these on Amazon. It took less than 2 weeks for them to arrive in South Africa.
They can't believe what it will blaya Steve. Mito zika baby mama no tuka halito. Mara life in you somehow. You intend to link with it on the what you're a sundown. A bomb.
So in the box you get your manual, your user manual, you get your cables, your connection cable between the two speakers, and your power cable, which is actually a two-piece cable. So you also get your speakers, your surround left and your surround right speakers, and then that other cable in there, it's the second piece of your power cable. So that's got your block as well. So this is how the speaker actually looks when you unwrap it. So it looks like it's got two drives. I don't know, maybe one is for the tweeter, the other one is for the bass. So that's how they look. So this one here, it's your surround right speaker, and then the other one is your surround left speaker. That's the main speaker that you do your connections with.
So this is the 6-meter cable. So you've got your red and your black points that goes on the other side to the other speaker.
So this is the cable that comes out with the rear speakers. So for guys like us who live in South Africa, it becomes a hassle. So you need to get yourself an adapter, a universal travel adapter. I found one at Incredible Connection. You can also find it at Game, your Hi-Fi Corporation, your Takealots, and other online stores. So let's talk pairing. How do you pair these rear speakers to your soundbar? So my soundbar is the HW-B650F. So it's a 2025 soundbar.
You switch off your soundbar, you switch on your speakers, blink, it's blinking. Then you take your soundbar remote, the up button, you hold it for 5 seconds. And then on the soundbar, it will say ID set. So what you do, come here, you just press it once, and then it will be linked. So when you switch off your soundbar, so do your speakers. Switch it on, instantly, all set. If you feel like your rear speakers, the volume is too low, what you do, you go to your remote, channel level, it goes central speaker, and then rear speakers. And then you can adjust the volume. So for now, I'll just put it on 4 and see. So just to confirm, central, rear, central, rear. So my central speaker volume is on 0, so it's balanced, and then my rear speakers, the volume is on 4.